Next problem, same idea. See what goes into both of these. Well, the square root of 8 and the square root of 54. 2 goes into both of them. So if I divide 8 by 2, I get the square root of 4. If I divide 54 by 2, I get the square root of 27. Okay. Well, the top I can simplify easily. That's just 2. The bottom, though, I actually have to do some stuff. The square root of 27 becomes the square root of 9 times 3. Oops. And only one of these I can factor out. If you look at this 9, the square root of 9 is 3. I'm going to write this down here. This becomes 2 over, this is 3 outside, root 3. I'm not doing the whole prime factorization part here. You can do it, I just don't have as much space. And just like this problem up here, when you have something in the denominator that's a radical, to get rid of it, you have to multiply top and bottom by that radical. So I've got a root 3 down here, so I need to multiply the numerator by root 3 and the denominator by root 3. 2 times the square root of 3 is just 2 times the square root of 3. And the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. 2 square root of 3 divided by 9 is what this is in simplest form. 2 more problems. Let me just make sure my battery's not dying. No, the battery's good. 2 more problems. Same idea. We've got 3 square root of 8 and square root of 12. Now I've got a coefficient here. You really don't have to worry about it because there's no other coefficient to work with. Just worry about the 8 and the 12. Well, number that goes into both 8 and 12, 4. Okay, so we're looking at these problems. 4 goes into 8 2 times, so we get 3 square root of 2. 4 goes into 12 3 times, we get the square root of 3. I gave you a lot of problems with the square root of 3 in the denominator. Well, to get rid of it, you multiply by whatever this is. So if this was square root of 5 down here, I'd multiply by square root of 5. If this was square root of 20 down here, I'd multiply by square root of 20 and square root of 20. If this was square root of a million, square root of a million, square root of a million. But since it's 3, we'll rationalize it and multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. Let's see. 3 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 3. Multiply these. 2 times 3 and you get square root of 6. In the denominator, square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. And then you should see that I have a 3 in the numerator, a 3 in the denominator, and those can cancel. Your answer is just the square root of 6. And I guarantee if you type this into the calculator, it's the exact same thing as that. Okay? Last problem. Almost done. Let me make that a less silly problem. Yeah, let's actually make this 24. Before it was really easy. 5 square root of 3 over 15 square root of 24. Now it's slightly harder. Well, hopefully you see right off the bat the 5 and the 15. 5 goes into both of them, and you can get just the square root of 3 up top, because this will become 1. Down the bottom, 15 divided by 5 will become 3. Square root. Now, what might be useful here is to look at 24 and see what it is. Well, the fraction is 24. 3 is a factor, and so is 8. Oh, I'm sorry, I did the backwards. Well, that works. Yeah, that's fine. You should see that if you've got a 3 here and a 3 here, these are pretty much going to cancel. The other way to look at it was 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 24 8 times. Any way you go about it, this is going to cancel, so does that, and you're going to be left with 1 up top, and 3 square root of 8 in the denominator. The problem now is that we don't like the square root of 8 being in the denominator, nor is this simplified all the way. So to get rid of it, we have to do some rationalization. Okay, so let's see, the square root of 8. You factor 8, you get 4 and 2, and you get 2 and 2. So the square root of 8 is 2 times 2, is really the square root of 2 times 2 times 2. So if there's 3 2's here, I can pull 1 2 out to the front and leave the other 2 there. So we're really going to have 1 over 3 times 2 square root of 2. Square root of 8 is really 2 times square root of 2. Almost as simple as I'd like it to be, but I don't like the square root of 2 down here, I still have to get rid of it. So I have to multiply by it. Square root of 2 up top, square root of 2 down bottom. 1 times the square root of 2, that's just the square root of 2. 3 times 2, that's 6. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, that's 2. So I get 6 times 2 in the denominator, and that's just 12. So I'm actually just put 12 down there. The final answer is the square root of 2 divided by 12. And if we type this in and we type this in, we will get the exact same thing. 5 square root of 3 divided by 15 square root of 24. And then we get square root of 2 divided by 12. And in this case, they are the exact same. And that is that. That's really all you need to know about square roots. When you want to divide them for my class, if you have any questions, leave a comment in the box. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. And I hope this video was helpful, and I hope that you have a great day. Thanks for watching.